Hello guys, I am from Gaugraph Maths Hub. Today I shall discuss about some tips for mathematical solution of a word problem. Point 1 is go through the given question twice or thrice. First point is go through the given question twice or thrice. Second point is underline the key points with a pin pointed pencil in the given question itself. The second point is underline the key points with a pin-pointed pencil in the given question itself. Now come to the third point. The third point is write down the key points in the rough work of your answer sheet. Now, third point will be write down the key points in the rough work of your answer sheet. Now, come to the point number 4. Point number 4 will be plot the sketch oblique diagram if any with help of key points. In the rough work. The fourth point is plot the sketch oblique diagram if any with help of key points in the rough work. Now come to fifth point here. Let the unknown answer points be algebraic character Now, fifth point will be let the unknown answer points be algebraic characters. After that, Sixth point will be think over the formulas oblique tricks applied to now come to seventh point. Process the word problems mathematically now seventh point will be process the word problem mathematically with a great care and attention. Now, seventh point will be process the word problem mathematically with a great care and attention. Now come to 8 points, that is never forget to verify your answer points with the given word problem. Now guys, I shall explain 1 point to 8 point once again. Now what you have to do in this case, here the subjective tips for mathematical solution of word problem. We often come across a word problem in mathematics. With the help of the given word problem, we have to find out the unknown variables, or otherwise you have to formulate linear equations in two variables. In this case, many of students are unable to understand the word problem, therefore they find more difficulties in order to solve the questions related to word problems. For those students, I have suggested some tips. Now, tips number 1 is go through the given question twice or thrice. The given question means the question given in your question paper itself. Now, you have to go through the given question in question paper twice or thrice. Now, come to second point, underline the key point with a pin-pointed pencil in the given question itself. Now, question paper is with you. Now, after finishing going through the question twice and thrice, now take a pin-pointed pencil with you and only underline the key points therein. After that, proceed towards point number 3. Write down the key points in the rough work of your answer sheet. Everywhere in answer sheet you have got from your examiner. In answer sheet, make a rough work there. In rough work, key points should be noted with the help of underline portion there in the question itself. After noting down the key points in the rough work, now proceed towards point number 4. Plot the sketch oblique diagram, if any, with the help of key point in the rough work. Since you have noted the key point in the rough work, with the help of key points there in rough work, now draw a diagram, plot the diagram, make a sketch, and in sketch itself, diagram itself, if the unknown variable, unknown answer point you have to find out. Here it says the question you find the age of Meena and age of Sam respectively. In those cases, the unknown answer point will be. Now what will do in fifth point? In fifth point, you will let the unknown answer point. There you have to note it from the question itself. In the last it is one sentence given, find out the value of x and y respectively. Find out the total cost. Like that, finding the answer you have to find out. That answer is known as unknown answer point. So now what we'll do in this case, fifth point will be let the unknown answer point be algebraic character. Like algebraic character means x, y, z you can let, so that if you solve the question itself, when you have got the value of x, y or z, that will be the your answer. That's why the unknown answer point will be let, supposed. Now come to the sixth point here. Think over the formula tricks applied to. Now after finishing everywhere, after making diagram, and you have also laid down the unknown answer point, then you have to think over formula or tricks applied to. Related formula you have to think over. Like rectangle may be there, triangle may be there. Rectangle, perimeter of rectangle may be asked, area of rectangle may be, area of triangle may be asked. So you have to think over that one. Accordingly, you have to apply the formula itself. Now come to point number 7. Process the word problem mathematically with a great care and attention. What is point number 7 says? What problem is given in your question, consisting of 4-5 sentences, maybe there in English, that first you have to go through the sentences given in English thoroughly, and then after doing the processing of point number 1 to 6, now come to point number 7. Now you have to process the word problem mathematically. This means that the sentences given in English, the whole thing will be converted into mathematical form, and that exercise should be taken with a great care and attention, because in word problem you will find there it will be more and more lengthy. When those word problems are represented mathematically, that problems will become very, very concise manner. That's why great care will have to be exercised in order to reduce a lengthy word problem into a brief note in mathematical form. Now come to point number 8 here. Never forget to verify your answer points with the given word problem. Now, given word problem have been solved properly, and you have got mathematically linear equations may be there, yeah, any other equations will be there. Now the word problems has been converted into a mathematical form or mathematical manner that has been thoroughly processed. Now you have got the answer there. So with the help of answer, you can verify the word problem itself. So now that's why I have given 7 point here. Never forget to verify your answer point with the given word problem. Now guys, these are the 8 points you have to keep in your mind while attempting a word problem there in your question paper.